In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Telegram channel link step by step so you can quickly invite people to your channel without any confusion. Whether you're sharing it with friends, customers, followers, or a community group, this is one of the fastest ways to get your Telegram channel link copied and ready to send. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and go to the channel you want to share. Make sure you are opening the actual channel, not a private chat or a group. Once you're inside the channel, look at the top of the screen and tap the channel name. This will open the channel information page, where you can see the settings and details for that channel. On the channel info page, look for the Manage option and click on it. This section gives you access to the channel's administrative settings, including link sharing options. After that, tap on Invite Links. This is the area where Telegram lets you create and manage links that other people can use to join or view your channel, depending on your channel settings. Now you'll see the Invite Link options. Click Copy Link, and Telegram will instantly copy the channel link to your clipboard. Once the link is copied, you can paste it into a message, email, social media post, WhatsApp chat, or anywhere else you want to share it. Just send it to the person or audience you want to invite. And that's it. You've successfully copied and shared your Telegram channel link. It only takes a few taps, and now you know exactly where to find the invite link whenever you need it. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.